Hey guys, we found this really cool fire truck. I didn't bring my iPad. Okay, Lane's driving back there. Gonna go get in the front. The front's kind of trashed.
Did you say the front is kind of trash?
I said trashed.
You're literally gonna fall through this. Look, there's seatbelts. Yeet. Yeet schmeet.
This is so cool. There's some other fire trucks over there.
This is like they're like abandoned.
Yeah, there's some other ones over there.
You know, like the videos where they go like to abandoned places.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Drive the fire truck. We're going to a fire. Wait, this is actually. Hold on, let me put this up. Should I put this up? Paige, I'm gonna put this up. I can't. Dial emergency police fire medical. That's old.
Oh, no.
Orlando. Ladder. What is this? Oh, it's just ladder. This is so cool. Look how big the wheels are. Oh, yeah? What is this? Seagrave. Oh, wow. That's old.
This is mine.
This is a
No, this is going on my
Tiller
Instagram
fire.
shoe. Yeah, get it.
Why? It's a YouTube vid.
I'm trying to take a picture.
Okay.
Come on, my sunburn is hurting. I want to go in. Pierce!
Hold on, I'm going to go in the back. Yeah. We might do a video on those fire trucks. Gonna climb this ladder. Okay, I'm coming.
Look at this picture.
Down too.
Nope.
Come on. Oh yeah, that's right. You jumped off like 5 stories.
Oh, they took off.
Come on. Where's Chris?
All right, have a good day. Like and subscribe. Have a good day.